Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 10. This module we're continuing with the AR verbs and the yes no questions, so you're going to see similar readings to what we had in Module 9. There's also a listing here where you can hear a conversation and just see if you understand, and you can email me if you want to check on that. Okay, here we have something that says upcoming assignment final project. So the final project is due in modules 14 and 15. I do not want you to start working on it now. Please do not start working on it now because we have topics from modules 11, 12, 13, 14, 11, 12, 13 that must be included in the final project. So we're not ready to start it yet. The only reason this is here now is because, as you'll see when you read through it, it is a video project and you're going to need to find someone to work with. So it could be a family member or it could be a classmate, but I don't want you to get to module 14, 15 and like, oh, I have no idea who I'm going to film with. You can film on Zoom, whatever, but you need to find somebody to film it with you. So that's the part that I want you to start thinking about. There's a video that talks about it. The video is from a previous semester, but the information about the project itself is correct. Okay, so then we have, for the assignments, we have the homework packet like always. We have our discussion board about folk remedies. So some of you may have mentioned the folk remedies in your field specific project. The initial post for that is due June 29th. So make sure you get your initial post by June 29th and responses by the end of the module. And then we have the speaking assignment and the quiz like always. Okay, let me know if you have any questions y nos vemos pronto.